Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So the one of the headline is about the GST compensation issue, and another one is the RBI open market operation, sir. And in the GST compensation issue, they have given us the basic introduction about the GST compensation issue, in which they are talking about that the center will provide them a compensation regarding that the GST shortfall which has been taken place. And another one is the open market operations, buying and selling of bonds, in which the RBI has given the responsibility regarding the report to the newspaper that give the analysis of that open market operations, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, in my opinion, according to my analysis of newspaper, that is Abhijit Banerjee, sir, in 2019 Nobel Prize winner. And sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall. Sorry, sir, I'm not aware about the Amartya Sen. Has Amartya Sen got the award or not? Sir, the Abhijit Banerjee theory is based on the randomized control trial, in which the poverty is being given a macroscopic view, as he is talking about the dimensions. Likewise, if in poverty we are having the three dimensions, that is years of schooling, nutrition, and household. Now we divide this into the more dimensions. Likewise, if we are able to divide them in the more dimension, then we are having the more dimensions. Now we give the population criteria on the basis of these dimensions. Then we will definitely get a broader view of the poverty. So this is said to be the randomized control trial, which is the theory of our honorable Mr. Abhijit Banerjee, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, I'm not able to understand. World Bank. Bad Bank. Yes, sir. No, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm taking the money. Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. Yes, sir. So the main program is MG Narega, Mahatma Gandhi National Employment Rural Guarantee Act. This program is very useful, as this program is old and various convergence of schemes has taken place in this program. This program is related to the wage giving programs, one of the wage giving programs in which the wage are being provided until and unless if they are not being provided with a job, then the job allowance, unemployment allowance is being provided, sir. And in which and I think the MG Narega is very useful as far as the COVID-19 is concerned. And the other scheme that is very helpful, that is Pradhan Mantri Wan Dhan Yojana. That is also very important. As far as the minus forest producers are concerned, they are being given the work to just empower the tribal gatherers, as we are knowing that the empowerment of the tribal gatherers is very important, and this will definitely help to alleviate the poverty, because we are taking the data from the NFHS, that is National Family Health Survey. Then they are talking about that the Jharkhand and the Chhattisgarh are having a really having a very bad poverty scenario. In that context, if we are able to empower the tribal, then we will definitely get the poverty eradication program. Then definitely get the poverty eradication, sir. Yes, sir.
So what the unique thing he had been singing that nobody matches him? He is a singing icon.
Yes, sir.
Of this peninsula.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what is the unique thing you find in him?
So the way he presents the qawwali in a more louder way and in a more upper pitch, that is very I can say the speciality of the our honorable Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan sir. He has given various kinds of notes in a high pitch. That is, I think, sir, is a really a big and a special thing in it.
Does he need music or he himself creates the aura of music?
Sir, he himself creates the aura of music, sir. Because a kind of a Sufi devotion which he has created, that is really very commendable. And for this, the Japan has called him a singing Buddha. That is a really very great honor for him.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
one singer, he almost married in the Indian Idol. Can you name that boy? Do you see TV reality show or anything?
Sir, I used to see Big Boss.
Big Boss.
Yes, sir.
When you just sing, you see. And you have the good love for music and you don't see the Indian Idol. Why you see Big Boss? Normally we watch by the Vella people.
Sir, it.
Vella. You know Vella?
Yes, sir.
That is a perfect word for that word. I can't say that in English there is any suitable word for that.
Sir, in my opinion,
You like that fighting and all the nonsenses and all the nudity and what you like best part of that?
sir, according to what I have perceived from the Big Boss, that is the one of the main thing, that is that we should make ourselves calm. I know, sir, that there are various kinds of fightings there, in which we are seeing that they are just creating a kind of havoc. But this gives us a teaching to make ourselves calm in each and every situation. And they are also given the various kinds of, they are also being given the various kinds of tasks. And that tasks gives us that sometimes some of the contestants are showing a passion and sometimes some of the contestants are not showing the passion. And we are able to observe them. And when we are able to observe them, then we can work.
I guess that you have seen all the series of all the seasons of Big Boss.
No, sir, I have not seen all the series of Big Boss, but I have seen the recent series.
3 4 years.
Yes, sir, I have seen the recent series and the last series, sir.
So it is copied from which original show? Can you tell me?
Sir, may I take a guess, sir?
Yes,
Sir, I think the Australian Big Boss. Sorry, sir.
it's Big Brother.
Okay, sir. Yes.
So there is more something awkward things are there, but even in India sometimes it becomes awkward. So you just forgot to mention about Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan that he has not been copied so far. Even his, I think the nephew, Rahat,
Yes, sir.
he has no match for him.
Yes, sir.
No. And he has left a vacant place. And so it is being a bit replaced by a singer called Sunny Hindustan
Yes, sir.
from Indian Idol. So if you have not listened him, if you have not watched him, you can't tell about this. There is one more thing in his singing that is called is divine.
Yes, sir. Devotion to Sufi. Yes, sir.
It's a divine one because it touches your soul.
Yes, sir.
It happens very rare.
Yes, sir.
So what you have learned from him?
Sorry, sir, I am not able to listen.
What you have learned from him?
Sir, I have learned that I will have to update myself regarding the Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, because a kind of a aura he has created, I have left that point, that is really very important, sir. And I have to make myself more aware regarding that.
Traveling also you have mentioned.
Sorry, sir, I am not able.
Traveling.
Yes, sir, traveling.
So how many places you have traveled?
Sir, mostly I went to the Uttarakhand in Char Dham Yatra, that is Badrinath, Kedarnath, Yamunotri.
Is it the right age for going for all the Tirth.
Yes, sir, because a kind of a religious satisfaction I will get, that my religious sentiments are being satisfied and a beautiful scenic beauty I will get there. That's why, sir, I think that.
So you are religious.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Kattar Hindu?
No, sir.
Then what kind of Hindu?
Sir, I am
There
an.
are two terms, Hinduism and Hindutva. Which you follow? Do you
Sir,
know the difference?
sorry, sir, I'm not able to. I'm not aware about it,
There
sir.
is one another third term is Sanatan. Sanatani. Are
Yes,
you
sir.
Hindu? Are you Sanatani? Or are you following Hindutva?
Sir, I am a Hindu with liberal ideas, sir.
Hindu with liberal idea.
Yes, sir.
So you consider that Hindus have also become Kattar nowadays.
No, sir, I
You
partially.
told that you are from liberal ideas, so there must be some extremist.
No, sir, a kind of communication gap which they are not able to, which they are having. That is the problem, sir, in my
Their
opinion.
violence is at rampant.
Sorry, sir, I'm not.
They are there doing all these things you have heard, mob lynching and all this, Jai Shri Ram, and doing nothing in the evening, they say they chant Bharat Mata Ki Jai and do all the nonsense and all the crimes
Yes, sir.
against the people and his made hero. So many things have happened in recent past.
Yes, sir.
Isn't that earlier? So you think that the Hindutva is on rising.
Sir,
So are we not going to equalize the Islamic terrorism or Hindu terrorism that will be the concern? How can we criticize that? What's your idea about it?
sir, my idea and my opinion is that they are not they are not in a favor of any religion. As far as they are doing these activities because they have been provoking, they have been a part of a provocative speeches which are really very harmful for our country. As far as they are also the victims of the fake news, sir. Because that's why, sir, I have said that the communication gap which have been maintained between them, that is the main problem. If we are able to educate them and literate them in a right way and in a more rather than aggressive way, in a more good and economical and a rational thinking way.
Don't give a speech, you know. What I asked, that
Yes, sir.
only you answer. And whom do you think that they are behind this
Sir,
factor problem? Who are behind this?
sir, in my
Is it a political party or some religious outfits or some anything? Who are responsible? Who are making them so factor, so extremist?
sorry, sir, I'm not aware about them.
आपका ईमेल आईडी है राजकुमार
Yes, sir.
24071970।
Yes, sir.
नाम तो ठीक है वो भी आपके फादर के नाम पर है
Yes, sir.
और ईमेल आईडी भी उनकी
No, sir, it's my email ID. I have put it on my father's name because I'm not getting my name from that email. I'm not getting the name because the name is being shown that it is matched. That's why I have to take my father's name. Sir.
नाम भी उनका है, डेट ऑफ बर्थ भी उनका है,
Yes, sir.
माता का नाम क्यों नहीं है, उनके नाम से अपनी ईमेल आईडी क्यों नहीं बनाई?
Sir, because on that day my father's birthday is also there. As I remember.
तो जिस दिन अपनी ईमेल आईडी बनाई तो
Yes, sir.
So you are more attracted to your father or your mother?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to.
You are attached with father, more attached with father or mother?
Sir, I am equally attached with my father and mother, sir.
Equally you can't be, don't be diplomatic. There is something more inclination to father or mother.
बट योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स तो you using in your email ID father's name,
That's why I asked.
not your mother's name.
Sir, because I think, but I have, according to my
You can
opinion.
also use both of them.
Yes, sir, but that day is my father's birthday, that's why I have given that name, sir.
Your father is assistant commissioner.
Yes, sir.
Then why do you want to go in civil services?
Sir, because this is my passion and inspiration-led goal. When I was in a second year, I used to, when we are being given the coaching, when we are being given the various kinds of coaching related to the economics, because I have done the economics honors, sir. For that, at that time, one of my relative has joined CISF as an assistant commandant, That has motivated me to join this CAPF. No, sir, CISF has given me a motivation to join CAPF. Then our economic teachers also have given various kinds of teaching regarding that the internal security is a vital part of our country, and also take the name of the Central Armed Police Force. So that has given me a direction to just search about CAPF and go for that, and that has created passion in me.
But you are giving the examination of CDS,
Yes, sir.
but CDS is not for CSF.
So, but I am little bit biased towards CAPF. That's why I have, and along with that, I have given the CDS because, sir, a kind of a, I want to create my knowledge more
I
dynamic.
don't think this is a contradiction of your answer.
Sir, I want to create my knowledge more dynamic. If I will get the chance, if I will clear the SSB interview also, I will go with along with that process also. But again, with that process, I will also prepare for CAPF again and then just clear the exam.
What is your category?
So my category is OBC.
Are you taking reservation?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to understand.
Reservation, you are belonging to reservation category?
Yes, sir.
Then you are giving with a reservation quota.
Yes, sir.
So do you think that it is necessary for you? Your father is assistant commissioner. Then why you go with general category?
Sir, according to the circulars, the circulars are saying that if your father is from grade B or if your father is from class C, if your father is a class C officer and he has got the position from the, he has got the permission from the promotion, that's why then you are eligible for the reservation.
This is why you don't think about yourself, with yourself,
Yes, sir.
from your side, if somebody has more need from me, उसे ज़्यादा जरूरत है मुझसे.
Sir, according to me, what I have perceived from the analysis and the other things also, in my opinion, I have taken the reservation because, sir, a kind of a facilities which we are not getting, sir. That's why. Likewise, sir, I am not. I have no various kinds of facilities. Likewise, I have no kind of books and to read for any kind of. So that facilities are also being provided by the government, and our and GST is also being in a rise. That's why I have taken the reservation, sir.
Your father is the assistant commissioner, you don't have books. It does not sound very.
Sir, the proper the high level of books, likewise various kinds of books which we are getting at the concessional rate in the terms of facilities from the government. Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.